First or me?
Doesn't matter.
We're turning left.
We're turning left, yeah. But I'll be stopping before to get camera.
Yeah. Are you on?
Yeah. Oh no, I haven't switched on yet. Hey Cardo, call intercom.
That's it?
Yep. Gotcha. Camera rolling. I'm not sure if she was awake, that woman.
Which woman?
The one that served us this morning.
Ah. I'll tell you, I wouldn't want that job.
No.
Up that late at night and then back in
again,
first thing in the morning.
Yeah, perhaps she wasn't awake.
She never stops though, does she?
Never stopped, no.
Really suits me. Doesn't really suit me.
No, me neither. I just wanted the orange juice and a cup of coffee.
Like to drink a cup of coffee.
It's a tight right, mate.
Yeah, cars coming as well.
Yeah, van this one. Back on the road. Back on the road again. Dirt in the road.
Right.
Just had a twinge. You miss it, it's only a small patch.
Yeah, I'm okay.
I went straight over it.
Got the right turn, yeah?
Got a right turn, yeah. Get that pickup to 23, is it?
Okay.
Yeah, A23. Did you know it's illegal in Spain to have traffic camera warning on your sat-nav?
Yeah. No, I can't remember, I might have read it, but I don't care anyway.
No, I don't care either. What are they going to do?
Yeah, if they can get the work yours or mine, good luck to them.
I really don't think they're going to be bothered.
No, absolutely not, mate. It's
I
just
got a
one of
left
those-
here. You got a left?
Straight on him.
Okay, let's go straight on then. You not do what I told you! I'm beginning to think we should have taken that left turn.
Yeah?
Yeah. Go around there too fast, you're going to have a bad day.
Yep. That's for sure.
Big doggy road. He's a biggie doggy. Sheep dog.
He's not a bad dog. Not fair to call him a shit dog.
He wasn't fazed by the motorbikes at all, was he?
Nah.
So what was the best thing about that accommodation?
Yeah, go on.
No, I asked you.
The beer was really nice.
Yeah. It was a good pint, wasn't it?
It was. It was okay. There was nothing you can say that was really good about it. But what was it, 40 quid for the night or something?
44.
44 quid. Well, what are you going to get for 44 quid?
You can't really.
No.
I ain't getting 44 quid. It was the first one we stayed in that actually put a cooling fan in the room. I guess because of no air conditioning in that one.
Yeah.
Dance. Do you want to go on the motorway?
Yeah. Definitely.
Okay. Yeah. Still want to go on the 240?
No.
Okay.
Faster the better. Get some miles eaten up. Half full. Half full.
Me? No, 3/4.
Shut up.
Is it open? Yeah. Do 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 do. Oh, I do hope it's not a minimum spend.
Fuck off.
6 litres. I've got 6 litres in.
On my screen.
Nah. Definitely have a coffee though.
Si queremos un café.
Gino.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, top one. Top shelf.
I don't want. What?
There was on the top shelf.
What was?
A cappuccino.
Yeah, I know. I can't get this better.
Oh.
Oh, I don't know what I've done now. It's all going tits up. I'm giving up. Yeah, I'll get you coffee, mate. ¿Eso es incluyendo un café? Bueno, es un café con leche.
tarjeta 2295.
Gracias.
Coffee, 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 coffee. Coffee every moment of my life. Coffee to wake me up each morning. Coffee to put me to bed each night.
Go on, mate. I'll catch ya.
What happened to getting back on the motorway? Did I miss something there?
No, it's just got a very long run off, isn't it? Somehow we've got to get back on that 23.
I think it's the other side of this.
Turn right. Oh, that puts us on the 620. My sat nav says go up there.
Up there?
Yeah, get on at the next junction.
Okay.
At least we know where we are.
Spain.
Yeah, 2.25 miles.
And then what?
Get back onto the A23.
Huesca, Zarautz.
That's the one. If you want to get back on the motorway, of course.
Yep.
Well, you could have just stayed on that road.
Yeah, we could have. I know you want to. I want to get the big chunk out of the way. Then we can fuck about and do whatever we like. Zarautz, turn right. Not much to see around here, is there? The same on the other road, mate. Just we're getting through this quicker.
Put the bike on autopilot, that go to sleep.
Where is that masked man?
Sorry.
Direction straight on, yeah. Didn't you read the signs?
Yeah.
This takes us to Logrono.
Yay!
You're going the right way.
Which way do you want to go? Motorway or the 122? Let's come on.
We're past what's it now, aren't we?
Yep.
Okay.
Middle lane.
Yep. I'm with you.
We can do this all the way. Be there by 1:30.
How far we got to go now?
Okay, I'm off. Decision's done.
Yeah.
M122.
We've got about 100 miles, haven't it?
Yep.
Just take a ticket
Yeah.
and look after it. Which means I'm going to have to pull over on the other side and put the ticket away.
No problem. I'll have to do the same.
Yeah.
When my tank bag comes in handy.
Stick it between your legs and pull over, mate, on the right hand side.
Comes in between your legs.
Seems that we weren't paying anything on the other road to go to Logrono, but we are going to pay to go on this one. And I failed to understand that. No idea. When we stop, wherever we stop, maybe even at the services or something, we get the map out and have a look. Oh. Contractor?
It just says you're busy.
Sorry?
Just saying you're busy. It's just not available.
That's what he's saying to me about you.
Okay. Let's get nothing behind us. We haven't left nothing, have we? No. Satnav said, "Do you want me to change the route?" I said, "Yes."
Ah, coming off, yeah?
Yep.
After 600 yards, turn right, then turn left. Here's the tolls. I'm going to pull up before it on the right hand side here to get my stuff ready. It's not manned, is it?
No. Satnav says left. Map says right.
Oh, you on?
Yep.
Just,
Hear me?
yeah, second exit.
Straight up there, look.
Oh, I see.
Straight up there.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. Get out of here.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
To the left or something.
You're having an adventure, don't we?
I don't know there. A mixture of the two.
Right at the roundabout up there.
Mm-hmm.
Now I've seen it, I remember it.
River.
Right there in front of us.
Come up on your right hand side here.